Okay, I got a tutorial request. I'm gonna show you how I got these waves and these curls by using Locknots. Haven't heard of Locknots? Where have you been? Girl, they have invisible they have invisible Locknots now. So you don't even have to have locks to have Locknots. You don't have to have locks to have not Locknots. Girl. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you how to do Locknots, and this is gonna be on real locks, but you can do it on fake locks, braids. I seen them on braids. How I do them on my locks. So keep watching. All right. So first step, always, if you're doing this on locks, you got to do it on damp locks. We never work on dry locks. It's pointless, okay? So you don't necessarily have to wash, but I always have my curl juice with me, and this is my refresher throughout the week, or if I just need a quick spritz, and I have everything I need in here to give me the look I need. So spritz it down. And I also always use an oil. If not directly oiling my scalp, I'm always gonna use it on my hands. And just moisturize that section. And right here I have 4 locks in my hand, and I'm gonna use 2 locks per strand. So let me get a little closer. So right here I have, like I said, 2 locks per strand, and I am going to start by gripping, and I mean grip. If you have unretwisted locks, then you do want to grip right at the base and start twisting as normal. Just do a regular 2-strand twist until you get to your desired length. Today we're gonna stop right in between my jawbone and my collarbone. And then once you get to your desired length, you're gonna fold up a little bit. So I fold up maybe about a third of what's left to be twisted. So I fold that up, hold it tight, and then I wrap these ends around. And you wrap it around until you get to the bottom. Oh my gosh. It's only acting like this because I'm recording. Okay, here we go. And once you get to the end, take a rubber band and secure it. Just wrap it around, secure the end. And there you have it. That's one. Ooh, this one is mad short. Hold on, let me see. What you think, girl? Cute? This is cute though. I like this length. So I'm gonna do one more just for the road. So with this one, I have more locks. Let me see. I have 6 total. So this one is gonna be 3 locks per strand. Start it off with, give me some Earl. And you grip 3 per lock, 3 per twist. So 3 strands, 3 locks per strand. Girl, get it together. All right, grip and twist, and twist, and twist. And we in there. fold it up about a third of the way and wrap the ends around and down the bottom of the fold. Rubber band. And that's it. Is this one shorter than that one? Girl. You get the drift though. You get it. I help you to get some lock curls or some braid curls or some lock knots or some invisible lock knots, whatever style you're going for, girl. This is one of my favorites for sure. It gives me the feeling of short locks and it gives me my favorite style, like the waves. Let me know if you try these in the comments if you want to see any other tutorials or challenge me to a style, because you know I won't be doing all of the styles and stuff. Like, this is as technical as I'm gonna get. But thank you so much for watching. Bye.